You wanna ride on my wave just because it's fun. You wanna be in my space, too close to the sun. Don't seem to care if it's safe. Well, that makes two of us. I'm so insane, and you like it, but you haven't seen anything yet.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Art by Julie E. If you're just joining us for the first time, welcome. Please consider hitting that subscribe button, giving the thumbs up, and leaving a comment. Also, right before me was just Janice and Dave's DHR Acrylic Creations. I hope I got those letters in the right order. Please check the description below this video. I will have both of their links and a link to April, a video I did a few weeks ago where you can see exactly how I mix my paints for school glue blooms. And that's what we're doing today. And I'm trying one for the first time on a cradle board. And I really like how it comes out in the end. But yeah, I was a little nervous, wondering, is it going to crack? I've never tried my school glue pouring medium mixed paints on a hard surface like a cradle board before. So yeah, there was a little nervousness going into this. And then I was trying something else new also, which was unbleached titanium white as a color for my base. And you'll see that yeah, it's got kind of a baby poop tone to it, doesn't it? I'm not a huge fan of it, and you will see that coming up because I will scrape it. So don't get attached. And yeah, just I think it was the titanium, the unbleached titanium white and the burnt umber, I'm not sure, but you'll see it all get scraped here in a second, and I'll see you towards the end, okay? Sorry, I'm not a fan. I thought that this was going to be really pretty. I don't know, maybe I should let it dry first and see. I kind of rush to judgment sometimes. So, but I just don't want to waste a cradle board on something I really don't care for. And I don't care for this. I don't care for it at all. This with the raw umber kind of made baby poo, and I don't like it. I see baby poo. And so yeah, we're scrapping this. We'll use it for something else and not with raw umber, because yeah, baby poop, yuck. All right, let me find something to scrape with. I wasn't planning on scraping, but now I have to. All right. Hey, we're back. The other one went bye-bye. So I do have some Amsterdam titanium white. I didn't want to use it today, but I will because I just mixed it this morning. So it is going to be hella full of air bubbles. And I wasn't really wanting kind of a repeat of what happened with April, even though I love the outcome of April. I just, yeah, you know, I wanted this to sit a little bit longer. Oh, great. I got some of my, there we go. Got it all. Good. I didn't contaminate it too bad. Whew. All right. But yeah, I didn't want to have to break that out and use it today. Look at those air bubbles. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right. Yeah, this is going to be the never-ending story of bubbles. Okay, what are we going to start with? Let us start with the yellow this time. Okay. There's our yellow. And yeah, I'm getting bubbles. All right, and then I'm going to put down Come on, you. There we go. Now I'm going to put down the watermelon. Pretty pretty. Then I am going to put down the glacier blue. Love this color. There we go. Then some golden peach. Very pretty. Wash, rinse, and repeat. Turn that so it starts floating the opposite direction. There we go. So a little more yellow again. Just a little bit this time. Just a little bit of watermelon. There we go. A little bit of the glacier blue. And a little bit of the golden peach. There we are. All right. And I think I'm just going to go with the black CA. Just the Amsterdam Oxide Black this time. All right, here we go. Okay, and where did I put my straw? There's my straw. Okay, let that come back up. I don't know if you can see the indentation from this camera, but it goes in on itself. We want it to come back in and come back up. That's funny. Too late now. Oh well. Forgot to put my board up. That's pretty. Come on, move. There we go. Kind of digging that. We're gonna leave it. We're gonna leave it alone. Calling it. I think it's pretty. No, it's still flowing. All right. I still have to keep tilting. Gotta keep spinning. Darn it. Okay. That's pretty. I am not seeing any movement, so I am going to leave it. I'm digging it. Even these corners. I know some people don't like them. I like it because I can see the beautiful bands of color. I can see that watermelon, the peach, the Indian yellow. I love it. So I'm leaving it. I'm going to leave it alone. Yeah, I like it. Okay, here we go with wet results. I've got the flash on so you can really see all the beautiful bling that this has. Oh my goodness. Something about watermelon and golden peach together is just scrumptious. And then, yeah, you get some of that, glacier blue from Arteza and the Indian yellow from Lucas Acrylics, and it was just a winning combo in my opinion. Doesn't it look like a tiger lily? I love tiger lilies, so that's what it reminded me of, and that's what we're calling it, Lily. Look at that rainbow area right there. Isn't that gorgeous? Just beautiful. So you're only going to be getting the wet results this week. Hopefully in the next week or so I will have the full dry results. I had a resin mishap, so I'm going to do them over, but it did dry absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, there we have it. This is it. Until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.
But you haven't seen it.